Isabel, you a naughty baby? Uh-huh. Did you open up the Do-si-dos that were for Girl Scouts and eat them?
$10.
And are you biting the package of Thin Mints trying to open them up?
Woof, 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 woof.
Isabel, what did you... Yes, what did you do? Isabel, what did you do? Isabel, what did you do? That's your cookie? Uh-oh. No, be nice. She bit the package until it opened up.
Huh? Oh.
She was biting the Thin Mints too. Hey Livy, that's too many, baby. You're gonna be sick. That's your last one. You're gonna be sick.
This is my second one.
Oh, Isabel, you get that naughty baby down.
Ow! How dare you? Ow!
Isabel, are you sorry? Are you sorry?
Run away. No.
Isabel, be nice. Be nice, baby. Isabel, are you sorry? Are you sorry you ate the Girl Scouts cookies?
No, she said No, she said
Are you trying to find more cookies in there? It wasn't enough that you stole 2 sleeves from the Girl Scouts? Uh-oh. Naughty baby. Okay, we need to get you down.
Mommy, look.
Bye-bye. You stinker. Oh, kneeling on the cookies? Really? Okay, bye-bye.